Here is an example of when you, as an individual, share curated content from a company page, whether it's your own company page or somebody else's. So in this case, Sarah has hit the share button down the bottom of a post on this particular page, which shares the content, the image, whatever's with it, and it enters the feed of the individual's connection. So I'm connected to Sarah. She's a first level connection of mine. I'm seeing this because of Sarah, because Sarah's chosen to share it. Now what you'll see is to the right, there's a follow link because I'm not following this page. And if I click follow from here, now I'm a follower of that page. So what I recommend is when you've shared content to your company page, get some of your team, whether it's yourself, whether it's your directors of the organization or owners of the business or your team, to go to the page and change the view from admin view. I'll just go and do it on my page itself. So if I go to one of my pages, I'm viewing right now as an admin. You can see by the back end, go to view as member, scroll down. Here's a post. Now I can share it, and I can share it to my profile with a bit of a story using the EQ plus IC squared framework, and I'm sharing it. Now, if it hits the home feed of my connections who don't follow this page, that follow button will show up in their feed, and then they can thereby follow it. So I recommend you guys do that for your content, for your pages, to give more visibility. Now, of course, you can do this for any page or any content from an individual on LinkedIn, but do this for your own page to promote your brand. Thanks for watching.